The fall launch at Laurel Denise is just around the corner, and the preview is now up on the website. So let's go through all the fun goodies that are dropping on September 4th, and let's talk about them one by one. Hello everybody, this is Priya here. Welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and if this is the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. Here I share tips, ideas, and inspiration to make your journal and planner spreads pretty and functional. So as you get started with the website, you see a header which says the 25 launches, 25 collection launches. So this is the preview section. And we do have, as you can see, a lot of things that you see in this page. So that's all the things. So let's go to the top and go through them one by one. So you have the horizontal weekly 7 designs, the evergreen, frolic, Kenwood Lane, midnight, ocean breeze, sunny days, and twilight. And then we have the, if you're not familiar with what the layouts are, I would suggest you take a closer look. I do have videos on the setup for the horizontal in my channel, so I will link it here. You can check it out. And then comes the mini horizontal in 4 different designs: evergreen, Kenwood Lane, sunny days, and twilight. And next, these exact same 4 designs in the mini vertical as well, for those of you who prefer the vertical. And then comes something which is coming back. I'm really keen on trying this. I have grabbed a copy, and this is the monthly simple planner. So let's go over that. So what you see is, this is the front cover. It's a gorgeous cover. And this is month at a glance, and that is all there is. So all the 12 months, and this is the special dates and events, the calendar, the things to remember, the goals, all the sections that are normally found in the Laurel Denise planners, which are quite handy. And this is like a pre-planning kind of book. So this is the closer view, and that is a stitch right at the middle. So you see how big the columns are, or the boxes are rather. So that is, you have 2 months ahead when you look at that. So that's quite helpful when you are trying to plan your entire year out. So these are the monthly calendar boxes. All the dimensions are here, including the planner if it's open or closed. So all the dimensions are there, and I have grabbed one. I will share more as I get my copy. And back to our page. Next comes the 2 portrait weekly planners. And this was the crowd favorite that had come out in May, and it sold out in the blink of an eye. So if you are keen on trying these out, I would suggest you set your alarms. And if you're part of the Laurel Denise Loves Facebook group, you do have access on the 25th. I will have all the details down in the description, and you can use my code Priya10. If you have a better discount which earns you more than 10%, by all means feel free to use that. But if you don't mind supporting me, you can use my affiliate link, which is also down in the description. And after the 2 portrait planners, again, I have Plan With Me's for my portrait, which I use very, very well. And the next is the project planner, which is again coming in with some changes. So this is the hide and seek. So let's go over the project planner and see what is the difference. So the habit trackers came here at the bottom, and What else? All of these pages, I believe, these are definitely the newer additions. And I believe these will be quite helpful when it comes to, these are definitely available as printables, but having them in your project planner already ready and set for the year is always better. So this is the project planner, and this is the hide and seek, and this is the back cover. And that's a gorgeous design. So we have the project planner in 3 different designs: the hide and seek, the honeybee, and the midnight. And then we have the vertical weekly planners in the same layouts or the same names or the designs as the horizontal. All 7 of them just the same. So it is the Evergreen, the Frolic, Kenwood Lane, Midnight, Ocean Breeze, Sunny Days, and Twilight. So that's 7. That's a lot of planners, I must say. And you do have the option of a Sunday or a Monday start. You don't have to choose between 1 or 2. It's like an amazing variety you get to choose from. I believe this is the biggest sale. So there are more accessories coming in November. So hold on till the end. Well, I give you more details on that. And then we have the binder, the 2 new ring binders. So this is the Versailles Vibes. And this is the 3 ring binder. And you can store your extra pages. You can punch them out. You can use it for projects. Any papers you want to store. And it has all the dimensions that you have in here so that you can decide on what you can use to store in them. And this is the Cutie Pie, so 2 designs in the ring binder, and there are the binder clips with all the cute designs. So did you see that clip? Such a cute one. And next we have brain drop pad. So this is like a brain dump kind of list. So you have the priorities one. Let's take a closer look. So the 3 priorities for the day or any particular day or week or anything. And this is a weekly one. So you have the whole week laid out just on a notepad. And you also have a clipboard folio. So it has a clipboard and inside is a folio. So you have a pocket where you can store stuff, and also you have a side pocket where you can store additional things. So all the dimensions are here. The paper is nice 80-pound paper. The inside flap has 1 pocket folder and includes a grid note with 50 perforated sheets. So that is very dainty, I must say. And this is a time washi tape. So if you do the Ali layout, then you have 3 rolls, 5 mm each, 10 meters you get on each roll. So that is a lot. And then we have 3 elastic pen pouches, the berry picking, bluebird, and the yellow daisies. Look at how cute the designs are. That's the bluebird. And you have, let's look at yellow daisies as well. That's so soft and pretty. And you also have the folio, which is always a crowd favorite. You have it in the standard or the planners, mini planner size. So it, just like with the other folios, you have a pocket where you can slide the planner in, and this will even hold a pen. So on the go, no damage on the planners. And we have 2 pen pouches without the elastic. So this is the Garden Song. And this, I think, is the design on the paper clips And this is a Virginia Bluebells. So that is 2 pen pouches and planner insert packs. So this is the checklist. You can insert it in any planner. So available in both the standard and the mini. So this is extra dot paper and grid paper. So that's, I think, a great combo pack, because you do have 5 pages of each. So you need not even pick, you can have both for that price. And this is the project breakdown, again available in both the sizes. So you have the project name and you have the full insert ready to go to insert in any planner, any section. Again, this was something they had tested out for the first time. This is a planner insert pages, the daily pages, Laurel Denise style. So for those days when things get really, really busy, you can use one of these. So one pack you buy and you have 15 pages. So this can be quite handy. So 12 sheets of paper is ideal, because otherwise the coil may not handle it. And then obviously we have the habit trackers, which are always useful in 2 sizes. And this is the horizontal schedule. Nice and perfect. You have the hourly schedule and you have the washi tapes for the times, and the times are here. But if on a regular lines like these, if you want to add the hours, the washi tapes can come in handy. And then you have the project planner additional columns as such. So that is nice and useful. So lots of inserts, and let's get to more accessories. So we have the sticky notes. So this is how it looks in the front. So a lot of people had questions. I remember seeing a couple of questions on the LDL group where they were curious as to what these are. So these are the sticky notes, and this is the colorful one of the packs, and this is the inside as it sits inside the planner, and such a useful thing. And the next colorful one is this pad, which again is quite pretty. And this is the set of sticky notes that come in it with all the dimensions. And here it shows where it would fit. And you do have the horizontal and the vertical, where they clearly show which boxes will hold what. So those are the 2 colorful ones, and there are 2 neutral ones. And this is the front in the neutral one with these more earthy tones, beige and orange and brown. So this is the next one, and this is the next neutral palette. Really soft and pretty. Again, this has more creamish mauve colors in these are more towards the brown shades. So those are the 2 neutral ones. And we lastly have 3 sticker packs, which are, one is the study hall stickers, school related, academics related. Nancy is the one who drew all the illustrations, so lots of cute stickers. The next one is the pumpkin spice. So those are all the adorable fall goodness. And the lake life, that is all the cute lakeside things you see. And the last sticker set is the Happy Camper. Again, lots of outdoorsy camping vibes. So let me know in the comments what you're really keen on grabbing and what is your current lineup if you're using the Laurel Denise planner currently. I cannot wait to hear. And please stay tuned to my channel by subscribing and turning on the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my future videos. I will have my unboxing as soon as I get hold of my box. As an international planner, it does take me a bit longer than all of you folks out in the States, but I am making an effort to get the box to me faster. So I will have that sometime next week, I believe. And let me know in the comments which of these are you most excited about? Is it the planners? Is it the accessories? Is it the inserts? Is it the sticky notes? Or is it all of them? I cannot wait to hear. And please definitely check out the other plan with me's I mentioned. I will have all the videos linked in the description. And please come hang out with me on Instagram. You can see more spreads and layouts all decorated and used all on my feed. So definitely join me there. I would appreciate it if you would consider using my affiliate link and code. If you have a better code that will give you more savings, please by all means. But if not, feel free to use my link. I would appreciate that. And I will catch you in my next one. Bye.